There's a little bump.
Smooth operator inside. Justin Arana is nodding his head that despite the size of Big Bo Belga, he has the quickness and the strength. Look at the way he just uses his shoulder.
They look inside. At yan, pag si Arana nakapasok sa ilalim ng basket,
Sigurado eh.
talaga,
Because
tama ka rin.
ang lapad ng balikat and then he uses his body very...
Quincy Miller getting ready to check in. Bo Belga gets denied. Here comes Anmisi. Ambot can hit that. They set up Teng. Teng knocks down that three.
His shooting has really improved immensely. Usually, Jeron would take pull-up jumpers and he's been really good at that. But now you see him take those 3-point.
Teng eventually. Shot clock down to 4. Teng hits a three.
You cannot really back off on any one of them because they are given the green light by Coach Aldinayo. The nice part about it is every time those guys really take shots.
Nice no-look pass and getting away is Jeron Teng.
Speed game again for Rainer or Converge, really pushing that ball.
And getting away once again is Arana.
Well, Converge is being, taken to school by Justin Arana, by the younger player.
Will miss on that. But nandun na naman si Arana. Para si Belga na talaga yung nakakapag-box out dito kay Arana.
Mabigat kasi dito si Arana eh. Arana for a 3-point play.
Teng with a floater.
Playing a great game.
Miller still. Nice find. Arana inside for 2.
What a big comeback here on the part of Converge. Everything coming from the defensive end.
And the Elasto Painters will zoo for time here. This is the... That's a nice block by Arana. And Converge gets the possession.
Great stop on the part of Arana to swat away that shot.
Arana. Nice move!
To launch performer Justin Arana.
It's a 1-point lead by Converge. What a play drawn up there by Coach Aldin, isolating Arana inside.
Yes, he knew that Arana is really a big weapon and Bo Belga's not there. He had a lot of confidence on the young player.
For the win! No! And Converge is going to go on to win this one.
What a game here by Converge. They had their struggles the entire night, but they fought back. Rainer Shine simply blanked them in the third quarter.